Hi, and welcome to the Easy Way channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download Google Play Store on your PC and how to install apps and games. Google Play Store is an Android app store with bunch of games and apps that Android users can download and use. This way you can install apps that maybe your phone does not support and use them on your PC, or play your favorite game with mouse and keyboard. For purpose of this video, I will install Call of Duty Mobile and play it on my laptop. If you like this video and want more of these kind of content, please subscribe to my channel with the bell on. And don't forget to like the video. And now let's jump into tutorial. Okay, open your web browser and search for BlueStacks. Click on this first link. Now click on this green icon and save this file to your PC. After you have downloaded BlueStacks, locate your file and double-click on it to run setup process. On this window, click Yes. If you want to install it on default location, and that is your C drive, click on Install Now. And if you want to install it on custom location, then click on Customize Installation. Click on Change Folder. I want to install it on my G drive, so I will find it here. Select your drive, click on OK, and then click on Install Now. I will speed up this process so you don't have to wait. It has finished with installation, and now it's starting up for first time, so it will maybe take some time to load. And here it is. And as you see, we have Play Store icon here, so click on it. After you start it for the first time, you will have to sign in. You can use your existing account, or you can create a new one. I will now enter my login info. Click here on I agree, and here on accept. And you are now logged in to your Google Play account. You can now browse apps and games and install them. Like I said, I will install Call of Duty Mobile, so I will search it. Click on Install and wait to finish. As you see, my game is right here, and now I can select it to play. Every app you install will ask you certain permissions, like Call of Duty need to download additional content, like maps, weapon skins, and they are crucial to play this game. So I will click on OK to allow permission. Game will now download all updates, and this will take some time. So I will skip until all is downloaded. And here is our game. All files are being downloaded. I also needed to log in to my Call of Duty account, and now I am ready to play. If you have any questions, or you are stuck at some point of this process, feel free to ask me anything down in comment section. Also, if you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next Easy Way tutorial. Bye!